SMCI stock could have a massive short squeeze. The stock is up 80% in the last 5 days, and it has been rocketing with much social media attention. All eyes are on this stock, especially since NVDA had amazing earnings, and this stock is in the same sector. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Stock Sales channel, and in this video, I'm going to explain the exact steps that the SMCI company can take for the stock to have a continued run. This stock has been catching a lot of eyes on social media. A lot of traders are looking at this stock, trying to trade it, trying to make a buck. But with this company, I'm going to explain how they can get back up to that $100 price level. But first, we need to understand why this stock is trading at this price level. It's been beaten down so much since trading at almost $130 per share at its high not that long ago, earlier this year actually. So we need to understand how it got from that high of a price point all the way up from $130 a share to a $17 low that it just hit only a couple days ago. Now guys, the reason that this stock was beat down so much is that Hindenburg Research, a very prominent firm, a shorting firm, an activist firm, where they basically find irregularities in these companies and they go in and they take a short position in the stock, hoping that the stock will fall so they can make some profit. Now, like I said, they released a short report alleging some irregularities in their accounting and some other areas. Now, they've since fired the auditing team that audited their books and hired a new one, but that is not good enough, guys, for this stock to get back to a price point of 100. But they're in a great setup right now where this stock could potentially squeeze back to that price point if the perfect steps happen with this company. Now, with this short report that was released, what that did was it attracted a lot of shorts into the company. A lot of people took a look at the stock and they said, well, Hindenburg released a short report and they are the most prominent shorting firm, so let's go in, let's short it. You know, it attracted a lot of hedge funds to come in and short the stock down to that $18 price point. Now, the reason why this could be a perfect storm is because the stock is so heavily shorted. We can't assume that all the shorts got out at that $33 price point. You know, it squeezed from $18 to $33, which, you know, people made a ton of money, all those traders. Like I said, the stock is up 80% in the last 5 days. What does this mean? Yes, a lot of people who try to catch the bottom on this stock, they made a lot of money. Especially, I talked about in my last video, the 2 times SMCI stock, SMCX, where traders, if they played it, they made 160% in the last 5 days, an absolutely amazing gain. Now, in my last video, I told you this was the #1 stock to watch going into the trading day, and I was definitely correct. The stock has been picking up quite a bit of steam, but the company needs to take proper steps to continue this run because, well, traders get very bored. Now, the company sits at only a $19 billion market cap, which is relatively low for the sector. As we know, NVDA is the #1 stock by market cap on the stock market with a $3.4 trillion market cap, more valuable than Apple. At only a $20 billion market cap in the AI space, they were at a really big market cap earlier in the year before they got hit with that short report. Now, they need to get back up to that price level from a $33 price point sitting at right now to that $100 price mark. Now, there are really 2 realities for this stock, and the first one is they can prove the shorts right. They can say, look, Hindenburg, you were right, we were a scam company, and we can go out of business and we can go to the OTC markets. You know, we'll prove you guys right, you were right all along. Or they can rip the shorts faces off and prove to everybody, including to all of the AI tech investors, that hey, we are a legitimate AI company, we are here to stay, and we are coming for the market cap of a stock like NVIDIA. That is really up to the company, and only they determine whether this stock is a strong buy or a complete sell, and their actions coming up very shortly in this stock are going to dictate exactly what kind of company this is going to be moving forward. And this company really has the makings of a great short squeeze because the stock was trading at such a higher price price point and it got beaten down. It would kind of be a David and Goliath story if this company proved the shorts wrong, prove Hindenburg wrong. You know, a lot of the times Hindenburg is right, but this company really needs to turn it around. They need to release some really good news, some stuff to get the investors excited. And you know, the other thing is that as the stock continues to rise, you know, more and more shorts get in because they still think this stock is a scam and they still think that it's a trash company that could be delisted. As the stock keeps rising, you know, more shorts are coming in there. So that gives an even bigger opportunity for the stock to squeeze that much more. The company just has to start cooperating with the shareholders. Again, hiring the new auditing firm is not enough. Release some new chips, release some really good news, get the shareholders excited, and this stock can really take off and rocket back up to that all-time high. The market cap wouldn't be tremendously high at that price point. It would be like, I don't know, $100 billion market cap. But in the AI space, it's really not a huge market cap, especially for an AI stock that's doing legitimate business, good business, and has a really good future. So they need to show those revenues, get the stock up, make the long-term shareholders happy, and squeeze the hell out of the shorts. But either way, guys, this is one of the highest watched stocks right now, whether you're a long or a short. There's so many traders coming in and out of this stock, and it's going to be interesting because whether this stock does good or not is, you know, really up to the company. And it's going to be interesting because only time will tell in the end whether or not this company is a legit AI player, whether it has the makings of a real company, of a real AI chip maker company. But if it does, guys, and if this company is really able to turn their act around, this stock is going to explode and it will reach all-time highs and surge past it, because this was really one of the top AI players back then. You know, when NVDA was coming up, when AMD was coming up, this was right there with it, moving right along with it. It went up like 1,000% in a very short period of time. So if it can make a similar move, they really need to prove these shorts wrong, guys. If it can make a similar move to the first run up it had, it would even be better now, in my opinion, because there's so many more shorts in the stock. Yes, they had shorts because it was making a parabolic move back then, but now there are even more shorts in the stock, with the stock hitting that $18 price point. Let's see what happens with this stock, guys. It's going to be very interesting. Are you an SMCI long, guys? Let me know in the comments. I will continue bringing updates on this stock as they happen, but definitely a risky play. Let's see what happens, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned to the Stock Sales channel for the latest breaking news in the stock market world. I'll catch you on the next video.